Here is a wonderful 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, remote engine start, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, backup camera, power liftgate, fog lamps, satellite radio. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.